Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Trodden. We're going to be playing some Madden 20 because it's free for the weekend on Xbox. And I've heard that Lil Yachty's in it. So, once this loads up, we'll play. There we go. Oh, I just saw the Browns. Ravens, Browns, Seahawks. Bro, what the hell is going on? Yeah, you fucking stop. My favorite team is going with the Browns. The Browns are good this year. They have we got, what's his name? We actually have a good quarterback, Baker Mayfield. We got Odell Beckham Jr., Jarvis Landry. What's that one guy? Sheehy? I think it is. Let's go with the Browns.
Hello, everyone. It's the coach. Welcome to EA Sports coverage of the 2019
Welcome to EA Sports coverage
Pro Bowl from right here in Orlando, Florida. Coming up, the AFC looking to make it 3 in a row as they square off against their rivals from the NFC. I'll be back at halftime, but first, let's get you downtown to Camping World Stadium.
AFC, NFC.
Standing by our broadcast team, Brandon Godden and Charles Davis.
Is on the air. Straight ahead, bragging.
Can I just skip this Pro Bowl? The Falcons. Oh, it's the Pro Bowl. I'm retarded.
2019 NFL Pro Bowl.
It's players from all different teams. All right, so apparently we have to play this Pro Bowl shit for the prologue, but
we had that little time
it's whatever.
with captain's picks and there was no side. I didn't like that. So let's see if the NFC
Cohen
can get into it. Drew Brees will be their starting quarterback. Probably a little perturbed about how his season.
Oh my God! Can we start the fucking game?
Kansas City. What a second season for that.
Do this shit right. Oh my God! What are these ass graphics? Like Madden fucking 10. Oh shit.
Set to go now from Orlando.
Dude, seriously, Madden. No way this is Madden 20.
So
Oh, well, how do I control this?
be taken by one of the up men. And they're going to wind
Hold
up
the
with
skip.
pretty good starting field position as they get it up past the 35. Now the leading rusher in the league, Ezekiel Elliott of the Cowboys.
Let's go.
And that'll be good for 8 yards to the 45.
Let me play as Lil Yachty.
Breeze to throw for it on fourth. And my goodness, this is
Should have fucking caught that. Those are dumb. I'm not even paying attention.
to go for it.
Finally, bro. Turnover on downs. Jesus.
Afternoon, the defense forces a
Bro,
turnover on
back on Madden 11 and on the Wii, bro. I was fucking god at running the ball.
come up first.
Let's go.
A second time.
Uh-huh.
This is
Oh, that's what I'm talking about. You're game for 5.
free a one tackle, but
I told you it was 5. I told you.
Malcolm
what is
Jenkins
this?
of
What is
the
this?
Eagles in on the tackle.
I'm running it. Can't read the plays.
Running the jet sweep. Landry. He's got a first
Oh, Jarvis Landry. Oh,
inside the 40.
I didn't even know there was Landry. He's a Brown helmet on.
41-yard line. That one a gain of 20.
It was actually a really good run.
Big loss, but with the college influence, we're seeing more of these plays come into the NFL.
Come on, go, get off me, get off me, get off me, get off me, get off me.
Shedding the tackle.
Let's fucking go! Let's go! Oh, I forgot to celebrate. I didn't even realize.
31 yards.
I'm gonna record that shit, dude. Why did you pause? In the older Maddens on Xbox, they would actually record the clips for you when you got a
Question
touchdown.
about it. Rarely do you get defensive
Slow motion type shit. I see Madden 20. Each Superstar X Factor has a powerful zone ability that you can activate by completing an in-game objective. I don't care. Just let me play the game.
For the extra point.
That was bad. Oh my God!
Kick is no good. An inauspicious start here.
Jesus fuck, that was bad.
Now he's back out there to boom this one away, maybe with some frustration.
Oh my God, what is wrong with my kick? I don't care.
And that drives coaches insane.
Remember in the old Madden, you couldn't even hear what they would say. They literally didn't have audio for the refs.
So Johnny Heck.
Quarters over already? Bro, I'm just gonna skip this shit, dude. No one wants to see it.
Right back to Connor here on first. He'll have a first down.
Let's fucking go, dude.
He's at the 40. Past the 20.
Alright, can I celebrate?
10. Touchdown. James Conner. 74
That was fucking
yards. And the AFC strikes quick.
That was fucking lame.
Distance runs, long distance passes. It doesn't matter. In the Pro Bowl.
Why does my bows go off to the side? How do I just play a fucking game? Bro. How? In the older Madden, you just could play now. You select 2 teams and you play. Oh, I see you, Beckham. Take the Browns to the Super Bowl and start building your dynasty. Exhibition. Choose from play now live. Alright, let's try this. Alright, play now. I'm really, but I have. The Browns are 83? Bro, the Browns are 83 overall. They've never been that high in a Madden game. You know what? I already know who I'm going to play. Okay, hold on. Let me Google how to play Lil Yachty. Dude. Why is it echoing? Why is it echoing? Why? Dude, oh my god. Unfortunately, guys, my mic just got fucking unplugged. So my computer just started going retarded. I tried to Google how to play as Lil Yachty, but I can't. So we're just still going to name it that. Alright, we're going to run this straight up the middle. Is Nick Chubb doing it? Yep. Bro, come on. Y'all got to give me a hole to go through. Alright, we're doing a quick pitch. Whenever like the ball goes off to the side, I'm like, bro, it's automatic touchdown. Why aren't you blocking? You retard! The guy in front of me literally wasn't even blocking. If he would have blocked the guy, then touchdown Browns. Alright. Oh wait, I thought I was throwing. Almost got the first down, so I don't really care. Now am I throwing? There we go. Alright, Landry this. What the fuck? What the hell is going on? He keeps on telling me that I'm running. Oh, an achievement. Successfully fake out a defender with the ball carry special move. You already know Beckham, bro. What the fuck, dude?
Throwing on first down, but this one winds up to be incomplete. And a look now at the starting offense.
Come on, Carlos. I really want to pass to Beckham. Seriously? They just stopped. They don't. I don't think nothing but complain about this. At least it's running good. Holy shit, Beckham! I see you. Celebrate, celebrate. Dude, that was a clean pass. Dog pound. I want to get seats in a dog pound. Let's go for the fake because Eagles are ass, so we can do it. Oh shit, Baker's running. Wow, bro. Oh, not Baker, but I don't know who that was. Alright, guys, we got the ball back. The Eagles did score, but don't worry, we're still ahead. Okay. Alright, we got first down. Bro, Beckham is like... Is that Beckham? Alright, whatever, guys. I'm just gonna end the video because I don't want to fucking make like an hour video of this shit. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Fuck off!